Hey, what's up? Did you know that Zeblaze has released the second generation of its rugged smartwatch, Zeblaze Ares 2? We tested the first model of the watch and it was very interesting. The new watch also has a durable military design, but the screen has a round shape. There are 300 watch faces, 24 hours heart rate monitor, 14 days of battery life, and even 2 games on the watch. The price of Zeblaze Ares 2 is about $35. I will leave the link to Aliexpress in description under the video. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of the new Zeblaze rugged smartwatch. By the way, I recommend you to subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. So this is a box of Zeblaze Ares 2, and there is an image of the watch on the front and the main features on the back, such as 5 water resistant and up to 14 days battery life. Inside the box we have a watch, magnetic charging cable and user manual. That's all. The design is one of the main features of the new smartwatch. First, it has a durable body and it is waterproof, shockproof and dustproof. The bezel around the screen is made of metal, while other part of the body is plastic. On the right side we can see 2 physical buttons. There are heart rate and blood pressure sensors on the back, as well as charging contacts. The strap also looks very durable. By the way, the strap is removable, but I cannot find another strap on Aliexpress for this watch. It looks like the straps are not sold separately. Zeblaze Ares 2 is available in black color, like mine, as well as green and blue. As you can see, not only the color of the strap is different, but also the body. A metal bezel is always black. On the front of the watch we can see 1.09-inch display. It has a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The brightness of the screen is really good, so you can use the watch outdoor and even in direct sunlight. You know, in my opinion, the second generation of Zeblaze rugged smartwatch looks better than the first model. I think this is because I like watches with round dials. What about functions? Let's take a look at them. First, I really like the main watch face of this watch. It has time, date, battery level, heart rate, steps, distance, calories and even weather. I like it when there is many information on the watch face. There are also 4 other watch faces available. However, the manufacturer says that the Zeblaze Ares 2 supports more than 300 watch faces. It is really so, but you need to download them through the app on smartphone. Later I will show you how to do this. Then you can swipe down from the main screen to see the date, Bluetooth connection and battery level. You can also activate a theater mode, change a screen brightness, vibration mode, weather and settings menu. In the settings menu we have the following options: stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness, shake, theater, reset, power off and about. You can also swipe up from the main watch face to read the new notifications. Swipe to the left to see your steps during the day, sleep information, heart rate, exercise, blood pressure, SpO2, weather, remote camera and music player. You know, it is not very comfortable to swipe left on the screen to music player, so it is better to swipe right, and there will be all the functions of the watch. This menu has all the same functions, but at the end we can see 2 games. I really like Funny to play Flappy Bird on the watch. Unfortunately, you cannot download more games on the Zeblaze Ares 2. Okay, now we can look at the app on smartphone. A companion app for Zeblaze Ares 2 is called DOOGEE. It is available in Google Play Store and App Store. As usual, there is a data about steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and outdoor running. Then we can go to the settings menu. There is the image of the watch and its battery level. The first option in the settings menu is watch faces. There are many watch faces available. However, you should download the round dials, because square watch faces look like this on the watch. As you can see, the data doesn't fit on the screen. Then we can choose the apps that can send notifications on the watch. By the way, notifications look like this. You can click on one of them and read the full text. We also have alarms and shadow functions in the app. There is also a menu with other options in the app. Here we can find a device, change device format, do not disturb mode, language, unit format, auto lock and reset. The last function in this menu is physiological cycle reminder. You know, I didn't find information about battery capacity of Zeblaze Ares 2, but manufacturer promises 14 days of battery life in typical use. In the heavy use, the battery life is 7 days. You know, it is twice as much as the first generation of a watch. So the new Zeblaze Ares 2 has received many improvements over the previous version. For example, the first generation of the watch had a 3 ATM waterproof rating, while the new smartwatch has 5 ATM. It means that the new watch is 50 meters water resistant. I also like the round dial of the Zeblaze Ares 2 more than the square screen of the previous watch. The battery life of the new watch is also longer, so Zeblaze Ares 2 really looks like a good upgrade, even if you already have the first generation of the watch. The price is very affordable for the rugged smartwatch, only $35. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.